up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I pack my luxury and designer handbags, how I travel with my precious cargo, because as I've stated in almost every upload leading to this upload, I am planning a cross-continental move, a cross-ocean move, and the day has finally come to where it's happening and I need to take my bags with me. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to leave any more tips, tricks, and advice for people, you can do so down below in the comment section. So let's get right into the video. The first thing I'm going to be talking about are my bags. Which bags am I bringing? And if I do not have a bag on this list and you want to know about it, it's probably A, already in Florida, B, being checked in, or C, being shipped in a container. I had to, I guess, prioritize which bags were important to me in, I guess, to bring in my carry-on or personal item because I have a limited amount of space. And so I'm bringing my Speedy 25, my Botcha Post Souffle MM, my Toiletry Pouch 26, my Remova Crossbody, my 2 Longchamp bags, my Neo Noe, my Capucines BB, my Cousin PM, my Neo Alma, and there's one other bag that I'm missing that I cannot think about. And what I'm going to be carrying them in is my Remova cabin luggage. This is the larger of the two sizes offered in the Essential line. Then there's the Essential Light line that has other sizes available if they're not the same size, just lighter. I believe some airlines are picky regarding carry-on sizes, but I've really never had any issues with this luggage fitting, unless you're flying with Ryanair, which has, or Frontier maybe, which has a different carry-on policy. And then the next item that I usually bring is my Lululemon backpack with my cute little what is it, Mandalorian Baby Yoda pin. It says stronger than you think, and it's so freaking cute. No, but this I got on sale a long time ago. I don't remember if I did a haul with this in it. It's amazing. And I remember some man was like, oh, that's a men's backpack, because he had the same one. And I was like, and I keep my headphones. These are my Beats, and I will probably keep 2 bags in here. I'll probably keep my Capucines and my Cousin in here because I am getting them both tax refunded. I never thought that this would happen, you guys, but the people at Louis Vuitton, kiss, they're amazing, worked with me, allowed this miracle to happen. And so I just want to have them hands-free, ready to bring out to show the customs people, because it is such a large sum of money that they are most likely going to ask to see the items. I've had hit and miss with tax refund here in Europe, where if I've purchased something relatively small, they'll be like, oh, I don't need to see it, is it in there? And I'll be like, yeah. And then if I've purchased something, let's say over $2,000, they'll be like, can I see it? So moving on to how I am flying, because I think this is interesting for some people. I am flying premium economy this go around, I believe. And I say I believe because if they offer me a business class upgrade, I'm gonna pay for it, y'all. When I am flying with very expensive items, I don't like sitting in economy for a multitude of reasons. The first one being that the overhead bin space is limited because you're sharing it with a crap ton of people. The other issue I have is that people a lot of times do not care or respect other people's items. But premium economy, you get a wider seat, more legroom, priority boarding, which is nice. You have a dedicated overhead bin space. This is all dependent on airlines, but with the airlines I fly, this is what you get. You also get to bring 2 checked bags, and it's just a better experience for me. A lot of times it's a couple $100 more. Usually it's around $200 to $500 more to fly premium economy. When you are, let's say, buying basic economy and checking 2 bags, you're already almost over the halfway mark of the price difference, or you're already at the price difference if it's at the lower end. Going into advice, I think, is the next topic. First and foremost, don't forget your VAT refund papers, and don't forget your VAT refunded items. I don't know why this is so difficult for people to remember. I've seen it happen many times at the airport where people will go to the customs line and they're checked in bag. Maybe they didn't know that they had to show the people the items, but they put the items that they purchased, which is mind-boggling to me, that you would put something that you paid thousands of dollars on in a checked bag to go underneath the belly of the plane that other people have access to, that you really have no control over. No, but you should seriously bring your VAT refund papers. You should bring your items that are unused. You could technically get away with bags, maybe wearing them a few days, but you're not supposed to wear the items that you buy tax refunded. If you want to check them after the fact, that's perfectly fine, but always do your custom VAT stuff first. In my opinion, that's how I like to do things. I get to the airport extremely early. I love walking around airports and wasting time there. So it's also dependent on your time crunch scenario. I also recommend making sure when you pack your items that you take the straps off, that you put them in dust bags, that you stuff them with items to keep their shape, that you, I'm trying to think, depending on how you're wrapping your items, be careful if they're touching other leathers or other materials that might cause friction, scratching, dents, or anything like that. If you're wrapping it with a material that transfers color easily, I would recommend not doing that. I one time did that with a white bag with my jeans, y'all, and it's pretty obvious that you shouldn't do that, but I did, and I was so upset when I took the bag out and it was faded white or faded blue on the back of the white bag, and I was so mad and I couldn't get it off. And so see you guys on the floor. Let's get into trying to pack. I don't know if I'm gonna put music over this or just talk to you guys about everything, but we're gonna try our best. So what I'm gonna start with is my Neo Noe, because like I said, this is the most difficult thing to pack. And what I'm doing is putting my Longchamp Epure bags in here. I also have all of the straps of the bags taken off. And so with that, I'm putting them like this. It keeps the structure of the bag, and it also protects the Longchamp bags because I only have one dust bag for the Longchamp bags. It's nothing horrible, but I just want to make sure that everything stays secure as much as possible. I don't really have a rhyme or reason or method of how to properly pack a bag in its dust bag. I just make sure that all the corners are covered, every area is covered, and nothing's really sticking out. And I'm just going to place it here for now because I don't know how I'm going to store it yet. The next thing is going to be my mini Delphine. Like I said, strap in the bag. If you're concerned about shape, I would recommend putting in t-shirts, socks, pillowcases in here to keep it. I'm not too concerned, especially because I need them to be small and I need them to be a little squished when traveling because my bag can only expand so much. What is this for? Oh, this is not the right dust bag. I'm not a stickler for dust bags, but if the bag name is on the dust bag, I will put it to where it belongs. So this bag I will put next to my Neo Noe. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so difficult. Like I stated with the Alma, I try to keep the straps like this, and then I put the dust bag over. I try to like tuck it in so it all lays properly. And when I lay this, I'm going to lay it where the straps are a long ways out. So then we're gonna put that on the other side. Then we just have my botte chapeau. Let's try to fit this somewhere small. I don't know if this will fit. That will not fit. This looks like my favorite dust bag. Interesting. What is this? This might be my Speedy? What are these big old dust bags? This is a pillowcase. This is a big old dust bag. So we're gonna have to then do my Cousin because that's the dust bag that I know I have. And I'm gonna take off my strap, put everything inside. I do have a little dust bag for this. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, I don't know where it is and I'll just put it in, but I do have one. It's very cute. I'm gonna just stuff this with the other little crossbody strap in here and hope that you guys stay okay. What is this? There's another dust bag in here. What in the world? Where are all these dust bags coming from? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one goes in here. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think that I'm going to keep her out though because I want to travel with her in my carry-on bag. So we'll just put her in here like this. Okay. And then next we have my capucines, which, what is this? The botte chapeau goes in here. This one's very easy to find because it has the drawstrings. And I'm going to put it right in here. Bye-bye, baby. I wish you nothing but the best. Let's get you in there all snug like a bug in a rug. And we're gonna put you next to the Neo Alma. Maybe we're gonna put y'all straps close together. And then we only have, okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh my gosh, this stuff all might fit you guys. I was having a little fear that I wouldn't have enough space, but I might actually be able to close it. And if that happens and I have a little space, y'all, I could maybe buy one more bag. Let me put my bot. Should I pose this the right one? Yes. How much did I pay for this? Oh, wow. I mean, the prices just keep going up. So then the bot chapeau, where are we going to put you? Where are we going to fit you? And where are we going to put you? We might put you with the coussin, that's for sure, because I think that's the easiest bet. And then we have the Speedy, which the Speedy should be relatively easy because you can fold her and like mistreat her, mishandle her. I don't know. How do they do this? They do it like that, right? Something like this. But this I'm okay with because I stuff her in her dust bag. Let's put her in the big one. Stuff her in here. And then I can sort of just lay her on, I don't know if I want to lay her on my capucine. So maybe I put the capucines on top of her instead of putting her on my capucines, and then just somehow pushing everything together. And then I just have my toiletry pouch 26, which this is gonna have all of my electronics in it. So I need it to be out of here, out of my suitcase, and then everything's inside. And I'm gonna try to close it now and see if it works. I do have a little space on one side, a little more than the other, but I don't know how to Tetris it all together. So we're gonna put this like this and see the moment of truth, if it all works. And it works. Oh my freaking gosh, it all fits. Wow. I have all of my bags in here, and now I'm gonna see which bag is better for the bot chapeau and the coussin. I think it might be the backpack though, due to the simple fact that I'm afraid of stuff scratching and getting into the open bag. So this might be my traveling situation with this. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this bag, but I think this is a smarter option because I also still have to take my backpack and my camera and all that stuff. I can put that on the bottom though, I think. But my coussin, my bot chapeau, and then my toiletry pouch 26 can go here, sort of, maybe like here, if I do it long ways maybe, because I can push the bot chapeau a little bit and stuff it like this. Then I have everything inside, and I still have like a little bit of space for my camera that I'm filming on right now to fit all of that in here, and still have the electronics that I need for all of my, phone, computer, and everything to charge it. And yeah, let me see if this closes. Y'all, I am relatively shocked because everything fits. So this was a fail. So I'm gonna have to take everything out of here and put it in this one, but that's very easy because, like I said, it has all of these little zipper option functions and little compartments that allow me to stuff it to the brim. And yeah, wow, I'm actually very shocked, you guys, because I have a lot more space in here, even though I cannot buy another bag. If I buy another bag, oh my gosh, I'll be ridiculous. Like, I could yell at myself, but it all fits. So I think this is going to be my packing situation when I leave for my carry-on and personal item. As much as I want this bag to be on top of the suitcase because it looks prettier, this is a lot more functional and carries a lot more, and it's also not so, how do you say, it's very inconspicuous, and I like that about that as well. So I guess the next time that you'll see me maybe is when I am actually traveling with these items because that will be in a few days, and I'll let you guys know how everything worked out, if everything went smoothly, if there were any bumps, hiccups along the way. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. That was it. I have to figure out what to do with all of these extra dust bags because I have Longchamp, Rimowa, Louis Vuitton, and I don't know where they go because most of my bags, I traveled with all of their dust bags, so it makes no sense. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.